Welcome back to our Premiere Pro tutorial series. In this episode, we will dive into the important tools and shortcuts that you will need to know to efficiently edit your videos. These tools will help you navigate through sequences, make precise cuts, manipulate clips, and creating engaging titles. Let's get started. First, selection tool. The selection tool is your go-to tools for selecting and manipulating individual clips in your timeline. Use it to make adjustment to a specific clip's properties, such as scale, rotation, or position. Second, track select forward backward tool. These tools allow you to select all of the clips in front of or behind a specific point in your timeline. They are useful when you need to move or adjust multiple clips simultaneously. Third, ripple edit tool. The ripple edit tool lets you adjust the length of a video clip while automatically adjusting the rest of the timeline accordingly. It comes in handy when you want to close gaps between clips without manually shifting each subsequent clips. Fourth, cut tool, or you can even call it razor tool. The cut tool allows you to make precise cuts in your clips, splitting them into smaller segments. Use this tool to remove unwanted sections, rearranging clips, or creating seamless transitions. Fifth, slip tool. The slips tool enables you to change the in and out points of a clip with its adjusting duration. It's useful when you want to adjust the visible portion of a clip without changing its position in the timeline. Pen tool. Sixth, pen tool. The pen tool is primarily used for creating masks. With it, you can select the specific areas of a clip to apply effects, adjustments, or animations. Seventh, hand tool. The hand tool lets you navigate around the timeline by moving the view without affecting the positions of the clip. It's particularly helpful when you're zoomed in and want to explore the different part of your sequences. Eighth, type tool. The type tool allows you to add text and titles into your videos. Simply click on the desired location in the program monitor and you can start typing your text. You can further customize the appearance of the text using the graphics panel. Now, let's get on to the important shortcut. Pressing the V key on your keyboard quickly activates the selection tool, saving you time and allowing for a seamless editing workflow. The C key instantly activates the cut tool, allowing you to make precise cuts in your clips with ease. Using the G key activates the pen tool, making it convenient to create masks and select specific areas in your clips. The T key instantly switches to the type tool, enabling you to add text and titles to your video efficiently. Congratulations, you have learned about the important tools and shortcuts in Premiere Pro that will greatly enhance your video editing experience. Remember, mastering these tools and shortcuts takes practice, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore the various applications. In the next episode, we'll continue our journey by delving into more advanced editing techniques, effects, and transitions. So stay with me throughout the course, and you can access the course by clicking on this playlist. See you right there.